I'm Mark Scholero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today we're going to be presenting a beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback Custom. This car is absolutely gorgeous. It's got excellent green paint, kind of a taupe gold color stripe. The interior is fully customized, leather seating, beautiful console. It's got a great drivetrain. A full description with tons of photos can be seen on our website at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle so you can see how excellent it runs and how beautiful it sounds.